Lesson 3. Energy for exercise. A world champion sprinter can run 100 meters in less than 10 seconds. But can a sprinter run a marathon in an hour? A sprinter can't run a marathon in an hour. The sprinter would run out of energy before he or she could finish. Sprinters and marathon runners use different energy systems when they run. Your body gets energy from the food you eat. The sugars in foods, such as fruit and bread, are changed into sugar called glucose. Your body uses oxygen to get energy from glucose. When your body uses oxygen to get energy, the process is aerobic. Aerobic exercise is exercise that uses oxygen to get energy. Endurance exercises such as long-distance running and swimming are aerobic exercises. Glycogen is another sugar made from the food you eat. Your body releases energy from glycogen without using oxygen. A process that doesn't use oxygen is aerobic. Exercise that is fueled without using oxygen is aerobic exercise. Activities that use strength in short bursts, such as sprinting, are anaerobic exercises. A small amount of glycogen is stored in your muscles. When glycogen runs out, you won't be able to keep going at the same pace. So a sprinter can't run a marathon in an hour. The sprinter runs out of glycogen and has to slow down. How your body uses aerobic and anaerobic energy depends on what you do. For many activities, your body uses both types of energy. For example, tennis players use short bursts of strength when they serve or return a ball, so they use anaerobic energy. But they also need to be able to play long games. Their bodies use aerobic energy to keep playing. Fitness improves best if you do both aerobic and anaerobic exercises. Even if you want to do aerobic exercises, such as distance running, anaerobic exercises can help you improve. Anaerobic exercises, such as sprinting and weightlifting, can improve your strength. Many people who do anaerobic exercise also do aerobic exercise. For example, a sprinter sometimes runs longer distances. This aerobic exercise helps the sprinter practice longer and more efficiently.